Welcome to a closer look at the Delta Trinsic toilet paper holder in champagne bronze, designed for both style and durability. This corrosion-resistant holder prevents rust, tarnish, and fading, ensuring long-lasting beauty in your bathroom. Its minimalist design can be mounted vertically or horizontally, fitting any size tissue roll with ease. The warm, muted brushed gold tone pairs perfectly with Trinsic faucets and accessories for effortless coordination. Installation is simple with just a Phillips screwdriver and included mounting hardware and instructions. Inspired by sleek modern European design, it combines timeless elegance with practical functionality. Backed by Delta's lifetime limited warranty, this holder offers reliable quality you can trust. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.